What's up, guys? Jason Godwin here, and today we're going to talk about how to bud trees. And when we look at trees, what they look like from the road, from street view, because a lot of times we do online bidding. And so today we're going to see how tall this tree is. Now, I know you're probably thinking I'm talking about this tree, but DJ just bid this tree back here, and he thought this tree back here was only 30 feet tall. So you can see how tall this is here. You can see I have my handy dandy water fed pole here, and it goes up 30 feet tall. So we're gonna see how tall this tree is, if we can even get lights to the top of this tree. This was a $1,400 tree because he thought it was only gonna be 30 feet tall. But let's see even if I could even get lights up to the top of this peak here with it here. So we are out 30 feet. You can see here that even the 6-7 feet with me right here is not even close to 30 feet tall. So this is one of those trees, and it's kind of funny because on the way here, actually, wait a minute, I got one more section I can go up. I shorted myself 5 feet. I don't want to drop it here. So let's see. So, yep, we're not going to be able to get that tree even at that height. So it's kind of funny because we actually passed the house here on the way up to this tree that we did the same thing. We bid at this tree, and the next thing you know, we get there and the guy's like, yep, that's the tree I want. And I just look up at it and I'm like, yeah, I don't even have enough lights in my truck to get the bottom half of this tree. And so this is one of the things that you can run into if you do it by online quoting. So this house here is about 30 or 45 minutes away. So we wanted to come up here and get some photos and videos of us doing a 30-foot tree, but obviously this is not a 30-foot tree. This is a lot taller. So we'll see if we can light up a couple other things that's worth $1,400 and see that way we still don't lose no money. That's what I did the last time. But I just wanted to talk a little bit about, make sure when you look at your Google Maps, when you're on Google Maps, go down at the bottom and you will see when that date that picture was taken. Because sometimes this could have been taken a long time ago, and if that picture was taken 3, 4, 5 years ago, a tree can grow a lot in 2 to 3 years. So just a little heads up of something that you got to be careful of and make sure that you are able to do this. And DJ actually went over to the neighbor's house because I think he might have bought his lights last year from somebody and he's not getting them up. So with that, hopefully you all have a great Merry Christmas, and we'll see you all in my next video.